I've worked so hard to push the ceiling, yeah, like to make a name for myself, whatever it is, you know. They still call me Rajkumar's wife. I have a name, I am an individual. So I feel like, no, after my first film, actually my journey became very difficult. कोई मना नहीं करता था because you're a fresh face. But the moment you are semi-known or you're a little known, a lot of doors actually get shut for you.
Kesari 2, it also
Yeah.
spoke about how the law at that time, pre-independence
Yeah.
era, was completely under the British system. Here they are also telling a reform story, you're also telling a reform story. Does it sometimes happen that when you go a little too deep, smaller film will comparison suffer to bigger film? Do you see it that way also somewhere?
When our paparazzi, and I love our paparazzi,
Oh,
they're very, very fun. Suddenly after my marriage, like we landed here in Mumbai airport and they started calling me Bhabhi. कि हमने कभी ब्रेकअप करा ही नहीं.
कभी एक दूसरे को प्रपोज भी करा कि यार ये
नहीं
वो लव
करा
स्टोरी
ना.
थी जो बस फ्लो हो
बस
जाती है.
फ्लो. आफ्टर 11 साल जब हमारे फैमिलीज को लगा कि बस भाई
करो यार.
बस यार क्या कर रहे हो. मैंने काफी ऑडिशंस दिए थे और मुझे बहुत मजा आता था और मेरे ऑडिशंस इतने महियात जाते थे ना, मैं तो थर के गाती थी, you know.
You're the one with the holiday plannings and dinner
Yeah,
plannings.
yeah. Oh, 100%.
Why so
Raj loves doing all that, but he can't plan. No, he tells me like, okay, let's go to Japan. I said, cool, we'll go to Japan.
उसके आगे
उसके आगे
जापान
मुझे नहीं पता, उधर जाके देख लीजिए. In our hearts, we are really very, very middle class people. I think Raj doesn't even realize who he is.
नहीं मैं तो बोल सकती हूँ, लाइक मेरी टूथपेस्ट का जब तक लास्ट
See,
स्क्वीज करके
Yeah.
नहीं निकल जाएगा
me
ना.
too. I still call up my bhaji wala, my vendor,
हाँ.
and I still be like, "अरे यार, 10 रुपए कम कर दो." But Sam is a very kind soul. You know, whatever he was making, he offered it to me. I took it up. You just can't one day wake up and say, "आज मैं actress बनूंगी." When City Lights released and I started getting the reviews and the love coming my way, I was like, "I've arrived. अब तो हो गया."
Hi guys, this is Ankita Bhala. You're tuned to Bollywood Bubble, and today Patrulekha is going to tell me how exactly is she feeling, because in the last couple of months, if I can sum up, it has been nothing short but a golden run for the actress. So can I finally say, I know it might sound a little right or wrong, but you finally got the due.
The
It
due.
was long due.
Yeah. You know, actually, how I'm feeling right now, I'm feeling very zen about it. But at least when I look back at my 10 years, I feel like मैंने waste नहीं करा. You know, it was worth it. So that's why I'm feeling really happy.
But 10
You know,
years
I was just not like one film girl. Oh,
No.
that was only
one
that
film wonder, as we
wonder
call it.
जैसे बोलते हैं ना. अच्छा, उसने सिर्फ उस फिल्म में अच्छा काम करा, फिर तो
गायब हो गई.
गायब हो गई. So I'm really happy about that. And for a girl like me, I'm from Northeast, from Shillong. You know, my parents, I don't know why they ended up buying a house in Mumbai. But I didn't have a single friend or person that I knew in Mumbai when I had come here.
How old were you when you?
I was 18. I came here to do college.
Oh.
HR college में मैंने अपना
Admission
BCom ख़त्म किया और पापा चाहते थे कि मैं CA बनूं. तो फर्स्ट ईयर मैंने बोला कि देखिए डैड, आई हैव स्टडीड अ लॉट फॉर 12th, तो एक साल मुझे ऑफ चाहिए. तो डैड वाज लाइक ठीक है, एक साल ऑफ ले लो तुम. वो और आया ही नहीं.
तो याद है फर्स्ट टाइम जब ऐसे एड्स, यू हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ
हाँ
एड्स,
जी,
यू
हाँ
डन
जी.
लॉट्स ऑफ कमर्शियल्स,
यस.
बट वो एक 18 साल की लड़की जो बॉम्बे आई है और उसका ड्रीम तो नहीं था फिल्मों में
नहीं
आना.
नहीं बिल्कुल
तो
नहीं
फिर
था
कहाँ से उसको?
यार. एक्चुअली मैं तो इट गोज बैक टू HR कॉलेज ओनली. जब मैं अपना 3rd ईयर फाइनल एग्जाम्स लिख रही थी तो बॉम्बे में क्या होता है, आपका वो सेम कॉलेज में नहीं देते, आपका सेंटर चेंज हो जाता है.
Okay.
तो मैं कहीं आई थिंक कांदिवली में जा रही थी देने के लिए एग्जाम्स. तो आई रिकग्नाइज अ फेमिलियर फेस और वो बंदा मेरे ही कॉलेज में था. तो हम वी स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग टू ईच अदर. तो फिर उसने मुझे बताया कि यार मैं तो कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर भी हूँ ऑफ, जब मैं कॉलेज ऑफ टाइम में और मैं कास्टिंग मैंने पूछा उससे ये क्या है भाई, मेरे को बता. देन ही इज लाइक नो आई कास्ट फॉर एड्स एंड स्टफ. तो आई एम लाइक मेरा भी मन है पर मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं कैसे करता है, तो मुझे थोड़ा समझा. ही हैड गिवन मी माई फर्स्ट एड फॉर 5,000 रुपीज़ एंड एक्चुअली ही टोल्ड मी हाउ टू लाइक गो फॉर ऑडिशंस. तब के ज़माने में कोऑर्डिनेटर्स हुआ करते थे, तो कोऑर्डिनेटर्स का नंबर दिया एंड एक्चुअली आफ्टर दैट मैंने काफ़ी ऑडिशंस दिए थे और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता था. तो देते देते आपको एड्स मिलते गए और कुछ एक आधा एड काफ़ी फेमस हो गए. एंड देन आई स्टार्ट गेटिंग कॉल्स फॉर मूवीज़ कि मूवीज़ मतलब ऑडिशन दे दो
ऑडिशंस के लिए आ जाओ.
या. और मेरे ऑडिशन इतने महियात जाते थे ना, मैं तो थर के गाती थी, यू नो. Then I started realizing that, you know, there is a method to this madness.
Yes.
You just can't one day wake up and say, आज मैं एक्ट्रेस बनूंगी. तो उसके बाद मैंने काफ़ी सारे, मैं बैरी जॉन गई, मैंने काफ़ी सारे वर्कशॉप्स किए. तो इट वॉज अ प्रोसेस.
या बट अपनी फर्स्ट फिल्म लैंड करना और उसमें इतने रेव रिव्यूज पे एक फिल्म का ओपन होना. जो फर्स्ट फिल्म आज ही हम बात कर रहे थे, आपको वन फिल्म वंडर कभी नहीं बनना था. कैसा था एक लड़की के लिए जिसको कभी पता ही नहीं था एक्ट्रेस बनना है, उसने कहा ठीक है बनती हूँ, काम सीखती हूँ, एंड देन यू ओपन टू सच ग्रेट वर्ड्स. हाउ डिड इट चेंज योर लाइफ ओवरनाइट या और नॉट?
Like my first film.
Yeah, after your first film.
No, after my first film, actually my journey became very difficult. First film से पहले, of course मैं auditions देती थी, but it was not difficult. I really enjoyed the process. मैं रोज़ एक बैग लेके बाहर चली जाती थी और मैं ऑडिशंस देती थी, 5-6 ऑडिशंस देती थी. तो मैं लंच के बाद निकलती थी और मैं शाम को आती थी सारे ऑडिशंस दे के. कोई मना नहीं करता था बिकॉज यू आर अ फ्रेश फेस. बट द मोमेंट यू आर सेमी नोन और यू
A little
known, a lot of doors actually get shut for you. You know, you can't audition that frequently because they don't want you, because you already have an image or you're boxed. तो उसके बाद my journey became actually very lonely and very difficult. But nothing wrong, like, you know, I will not alter anything in my journey. This was how it was supposed to be. And I'm not saying this because, you know, I'm happy about Phule or something. But that's how I feel like everybody goes through hurdles in their professional life. Whether you're an actor or you're a CEO or you're a doctor. But that's how it's supposed to be.
As we were just circling on this conversation, इतने वक्त के जो इतना वक्त लगता है जब एक सक्सेस को आने में,
जी,
क्या कभी मोराल टूटता है या कभी
बिल्कुल
वो एक सेकंड थॉट आता है कि शायद सीए कर लेती,
कुछ और ही कर लेती? बिल्कुल, हमेशा. वो तो मतलब इट्स ऑब्वियस राइट, क्योंकि जब आपके पास नॉट अबाउट डेज पर पूरा 1 साल आप नहीं काम करते हो एंड यू डोंट अर्न एनी मनी एंड यू थिंक कि was this the correct thing? क्या मैं कुछ और भी कर सकती थी?
कहीं I think your parents of course definitely supported you in this.
See, another very big thing
I was coming to that. I think your parents were a huge support. Normally these journeys can be really lonely.
Yeah, and difficult. I have to say, that's what now I don't have anything else that कि मैं आपको बताऊँ कि यार मेरी जर्नी इतनी डिफिकल्ट थी क्योंकि मेरे पास घर नहीं था, you know, या मेरे पास
not necessarily everyone supposed to have a sob story.
And I've had rock solid parents. My parents supported me throughout, you know. चाहे जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, पता नहीं मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुंबई में क्यों घर खरीदा था, कहीं और भी तो खरीद सकते थे, but they bought it here. They gave me a car. I had food on my table every day. All I had to do is keep working.
Keep up the hard work.
Keep up the hard work.
हम कितना easily बोल देते हैं ना कि अरे it's okay, tough time था, अब मैं successful हूँ. But mental health also takes a hit.
Yeah.
And आप किसी को बता भी नहीं पाते. हम एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री में जहाँ पे I don't think it's very easy for you to tell people that A, I'm out of work, and B, it is really taking a toll on me.
No, honestly, on the contrary, okay, the thing is I am a very strong-headed person. I've had sad days, but I've never spiraled into anything.
Lovely.
Thank God for that. And the second part is, I would voice my opinion that I need work, sir. You know, I used to message directors, I used to message casting directors, और मुझे अगर पता होता चलता था कि कोई कास्ट कर रहा है, I still call them out. मैं अपना काम करूँगी, और मैं क्या करूँ, मैं तो सिर्फ काम ही मांग रही हूँ, और तो कुछ नहीं मांग रही हूँ. So I think everybody understands that, and people are very polite. Sometimes it works, sometimes they're like, we'll figure out something else.
Tell me something. Did something funny happen when in initial days you used to ask for work? Because इतने सारे कभी-कभी you also have prankster people around you. आपको लगता है they are authentic, they are genuine, or maybe you happen to ask work from somebody who was very famous at that time and it turned out to a hilarious situation. You have a story to tell me.
No, not really. I don't have these funny situations because I don't know. I mean, you're asking for work, so it did like spiral into something else.
कोई ऐसा काम था जो मिला भी and it didn't translate. Sometimes, as you said, you clear auditions, but it's not necessarily that they reach the fore. Like something happened कभी ऐसा?
Yeah, so many times. Yeah. Sometimes I would get selected and then it wouldn't work out at the last minute, or they would cast somebody else. But then, yeah, it's not personal, I feel.
That's
in this journey that I've seen, it's never personal. They are always trying to make the best for their film.
And I think
और मेरा कर्मा है कि मैं just like I should just keep pushing the boundary and trying to be a better actor, give the best in my situation.
Did this girl always want to be a better actor, or was there a desire to also be the poster girl, the star?
No, I'd say it this way that I've had a very unconventional journey, honestly.
Yeah.
When I was 24, I started with City Lights, right?
A film which nobody would easily pick.
Do it, and especially when you have like a 6-year-old child, you're a child at 24. Now that when I look back, right? So I believe that my journey was always supposed to be very, very unconventional. And yes, I always wanted to have like really meaty parts that could be in terms of being the lead or being the best character in the show or film. But I just, at this point and that point also, I just felt that it was acting that I was more attracted towards.
It was not about being the quintessential glamorous, as we say, dancing around.
I think that's something that doesn't come easily to me.
So
it's I feel like, you know, it's a different kind of art that's required.
I give it to people. Anyone who can do commercial cinema.
It's really, people think, "Arey, commercial cinema." It is so tough. It's so tough to look a certain way, you know, dance a certain way. Even the pitch of acting is at a different level, and yet it has to be so authentic.
राजकुमार से मैं एक बारी पूछ रही थी, तो he was like कि serious film करने के लिए preparation है, material है.
Yeah.
Like as an actor, there is homework.
Yeah.
But when you get to do something fun, there is no material.
No.
Of course, written material, but there is no reference point. You have to. इसलिए मुझे भी बहुत late realize हुआ कि commercial cinema is very, very difficult.
It's a different beast altogether.
Yeah.
So really hands off to them. And also I feel like that's coming back to your question that did I want to, or it didn't come very easily to me.
So it was like no regrets situation.
I mean, no regrets. मैं शिलोंग से हूँ यार. मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच गई. I'm really grateful to people.
तो this Patrulekha then.
And listen, I've always worked on my terms and my condition.
Non-negotiables क्या हैं आपके?
Non-negotiables. I don't know, money is not a non-negotiable because, you know, the fees differs from film to film, producer to producer.
Of course, and the content which you want to support.
Yes. What is non-negotiable, I feel like, is my character, in the show or the film. It has to have something. It has to have some amount of depth, I feel.
जैसे Satellites से शुरुआत करी आपने, तो टाइपकास्ट का भी एक फियर रहता है ना, क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है ऐसे ही रोल्स करोगे. वो आपके साथ भी हुआ कि ऐसे सेम स्ट्रिप्स इजीली आती हैं till you actually break the path and try to find work which resonates with you?
मैं can't. I don't have an answer for that because I never got offered anything after City Lights. So I don't know whether I was boxed or I was not boxed.
Is it true you went to Bhatt Saab that मुझे काम चाहिए?
Yeah. Or yeah, I had to go after 8-9 months of sitting at home. When City Lights released and I started getting the reviews and the love coming my way, I was like, I've arrived. अब तो हो गया.
मैं स्टार हूँ.
मैं एक्टर बन गई अभी तो मेरे पास बहुत काम. Actually, nothing came my way. And then I went to Bhatt Saab and I was like, I was very overwhelmed.
Yes.
And he could see it. And Bhatt Saab is a very kind soul.
Yes.
You know, whatever he was making, he offered it to me. I took it up.
If you will get a chance to do something like that again,
Yeah.
it was a bold role, it was
very
a bold
part.
take.
Yeah.
Would you be doing it
No,
again?
I wouldn't do it again. Because, you know, that Patralekha 10 years back was a different, very young girl. For her, it was very important to keep working, or she was basically, perhaps I was having some kind of anxiety issues कि मुझे काम चाहिए. I didn't realize it then. I did it out of desperation. You know, the Patralekha now won't do that, I feel. See, nothing is wrong with the film. It's not that they made what was written on the script,
Yeah.
right? Could I do justice to it? No. Was I the right person to do that film? No, it's my fault. I should have thought about it and not worked out of fear of losing out on a film because I didn't have work. You know, so I really blame myself for it.
I think that's a very good life lesson because often when any one of us is in a situation जहाँ पे काम नहीं है, वो कहते हैं ना, we take the first gig available, not understanding that
the repercussion, whether I can do justice to the film
or not.
Yeah. So it's really my thing, and I had so much to learn from it that, you know, you cannot work out of fear in life.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
And I think fear ends up making you take decisions which I don't think are especially yours. It's just you're operating from a space of losing out. Yeah. And FOMO. I like this word. I was like, should I use FOMO? I like FOMO. Nice. I like it. FOMO. And then you saw a creepy film as per somewhere you said Raj and LSD. And how could you find him creepy?
No, he was. Did you see that film?
Of course.
Listen, but that was also before I understood what even acting meant.
Yeah.
You know, and I
thought,
thought
it was like 2010 or something.
Yeah, 2010,
almost 2 decades.
I was like, ये आदमी इतना सही कर रहा है तो मतलब ये आदमी तो ऐसा ही होगा ना, क्योंकि कोई इतना सही कैसे कर सकता है.
Understood. So he was too good to be true in the part.
Yeah. So yeah, I found him like, oh gosh, he's not
shady है.
Yeah, shady है.
पर funny बात तो ये, when he said somewhere, मैंने एक ad में देखा और मुझे पता था मैं इससे शादी करेगा. I'm like, इतनी conviction.
That's true. That's true.
आज की डेट में एक लड़का नहीं मिलता डेट करने के लिए, and he had a conviction कि मुझे करनी है
कि मैं इस बंदी से शादी करूँगा.
Wow.
But it's
16 years?
Yeah, 14 years.
14 years. Yeah. Like almost a good chunk of your life. How is it to grow up with a person who is a co-star, a friend, and then a life partner?
It's I really lucked out, yaar. मेरे को नहीं पता. I mean, actually, you know, in my journey, I was not even looking also. I didn't understand the meaning of a partner because all my life, I was in a boarding school and I was very fiercely independent. That's how my parents also raised me to be. So I didn't really understand or realize the meaning of partnership. I didn't understand the meaning of having like the right person in your life. You know, now when I look back, I'm like, dude.
You said right person. How do you know it's the right person?
Now when I look back, I know it's the right person. When you're beginning, you don't realize. But with me and Raj, it just always felt right. यार इसलिए हमने कभी breakup करा ही नहीं.
कभी एक दूसरे को प्रपोज भी करा कि यार ये
नहीं
वो लव स्टोरी थी जो बस फ्लो हो जाती है.
flow. Yeah, it just kept flowing. Nobody asked each other, okay, let's get married, or this is the time to get married. No, it was not even in our like list of things to do. After 11 साल जब हमारे families को लगा कि बस यार क्या कर रहे हो?
कोई और भी नहीं है तो
कर लो ना.
But as you said that it goes with the flow. You find a partner, but partner from the same fraternity in the sense the same industry. Does it help, or how you both navigate the challenges, how you navigate fame in between both of
Yeah.
you. How's it to marry to?
You know, that it's a very good question. Somebody had asked me this. You know, having the same partner from the same fraternity, as in from the same line of work,
yeah, same line
like
of work.
actors. I think it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It didn't work for me. I can't talk about everybody else, but I feel like because you are seen through that lens. अच्छा ये तो उसकी girlfriend है. अच्छा ये तो उसकी wife है. You know, अभी भी like
Tired of it.
I've worked so hard to push the ceiling, yeah, like to make a name for myself, whatever it is, you know. They still call me Rajkumar's wife, and I think that that's
Given
not
up.
cool. You know, I have a name, I am an individual, so I feel like it's a bit detrimental.
It is, and I
Yeah.
think, and you've also been so supportive of each other's
Yeah.
work.
Yeah.
And I think if I have to categorically say it, Raj, I think probably had the best year last
Yeah,
year. Commercially,
yeah.
he was the most successful
Yes,
person.
absolutely.
So that's why I asked you, how
Yeah.
do you navigate fame also in between, where people are somewhere still boxing you,
Yeah.
and you have a partner who's going through success.
Yeah. So I feel
How-
like in the last many years, I had to put on like a very hard skin, if that's the correct word.
Yes.
You know, I had to shield myself and shield my thoughts, yeah, from going haywire. I'm like, okay, this is now what it is. Now, how do I navigate? I had to have that chat with myself, I feel.
And I think
But
it's
see, again, the
important.
perks are also a lot. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूंगी.
एक पर्क बताओ, चलो फनी वाली कोई अच्छी सी पर्क बताओ, थोड़ा लाइटन अप करते हैं, हम सीरियस हो गए दोनों.
अच्छा, रेस्टोरेंट में टेबल नहीं मिल रहा है. So the perks are infinite, by the way.
Oh my God, this is the. I shall be meeting Raja in a couple of days for his film. What was this? Restaurant में table नहीं मिल रहा है. Can I use the name? But
Yeah.
you're right.
That's
Yeah, you're not hiding behind the fact that you know what is it, but it
yeah.
also should not take away from the fact that as an individual,
Yeah.
and I think it's just not about you, it's for anyone.
Yeah.
Your partners are your how to say, they are partners.
Yeah.
Equality.
Yeah.
You cannot be called as someone, and I think what my problem was not you being called as Rajkumar's Rao wife.
Yeah.
My problem is, why is it just because he's the guy and you're the girl
Yeah.
in the equation, and
Yeah.
that's how it's supposed to be, or
Yeah.
he's more successful?
Yeah.
How are people
Yeah.
actually? Why can't they be Rajkumar's? If you can be Rajkumar's Rao
Yeah.
wife, so you can be Patsalika's husband
Husband
also.
too. Yeah. पर कभी आज तक बढ़ा है वो?
मैं कहती रही हूँ सोसाइटी में पता
हाँ.
नहीं किस दिन
Yeah.
जेंडर रिवर्सल्स
Yeah.
हो गए.
Yeah.
Like you can't box somebody.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. I think between two of you, what also is very nice is कोई और इससे पहले करे, you are the
Yeah.
biggest cheerleaders of each other.
Yeah.
Every time, I
Yeah.
think I love
Yeah.
it. Anyone's project is coming, and I see a beautiful letter
Yeah.
out there.
But you know, it's also so hard. We realize it, how difficult it is, you know,
Yes.
for either Raj at his level, also at that level, also.
He has
things
also
are
seen a lot.
even really, it's crazier, right? That number is actually defining you every time.
Yes.
So we both understand the craziness that this line of work brings, but then we both are not defined by our work. You know, there's
So
more
dinner
to
table
life.
is not about films.
No,
Lovely.
dinner table is about films,
Arre!
about watching films, about watching what content, what series has come, what film we should watch. It's those things.
It's like coming back to the Friends.
Yeah.
आज क्या देख रहे हैं?
Yeah. Correct.
Who gets to decide who's watching वैसे?
I think Raj, he loves content.
Oh
and
my God, he
I'm-
has recommendations
Yeah,
on how.
yeah. And he has really good recommendations. So off late, I'm watching this show on Apple TV. He's told me to watch it.
Which is?
It's so good. It's called Studio.
Oh yes.
It's so freaking funny, and you can just really, you know, that's the truth.
That's the truth.
Yeah.
What makes you happy when it comes to a genre if you have to pick an acting? Is
Uh,
there something which you know you will kill it? Abhi hua nahi hua is a different thing, but you know you'll kill it.
I think comedy is very difficult.
Yes.
And I did dabble a bit
Nanu
into
ki-
it. No. Wild Wild Punjab.
Wild Wild Punjab.
Wild Wild
also.
Punjab.
Nanu was also
Yeah.
special with that.
And there's another Amazon show that I've done, which is
Mhm.
also comedy. But you know, the more you work towards your art and craft, you become better.
Yes.
So I feel like right now if I want to see how I approach a comedy, because comedy is never written, it's in between the lines.
Comedy के बाद से I'm sorry I'm bringing Raj's
Yeah.
name again, but,
But he's
after
the best.
Bicky Please, so when is Bicky Please is going to do work with Patra again? I think you should go to a comedy film now.
I know
We'll
I
heal.
mean-
We'll all heal together.
तो we do want to work together, but I just feel like अभी सही चल रहा है, उसका भी सही चल रहा है, मेरा भी सही चल रहा है. We will do a film when we think like it's really like we really align.
With the
Yeah.
I think because both of you have one thing very
Yeah.
similar. You both are very passionate about what I could figure out your scripts, like
Yeah.
how you are placed and how
Yeah.
your parts are placed. So
Yeah.
something has to be written.
Written.
Is
Yeah.
also that one of the reasons कि producer बनना था, जो कहानियाँ शायद दुनिया नहीं बता पा रही, आप अपने लेंस से बताना चाहते हो?
हम प्रोड्यूसर एक्चुअली काफ़ी सालों से हम सोच रहे हैं कि हम बनेंगे बिफोर द पैंडेमिक. तो ड्यूरिंग द पैंडेमिक ऑब्वियसली वो थॉट हम कुछ सोच ही नहीं
किसी
पा
को भी
रहे
कुछ,
थे.
हाँ.
Then after things opened up, we started getting like he started reading scripts, I started reading scripts, and there was something that we liked, and also हम producer भी बन पाए thanks to the platforms also.
Yes.
You know, they are happy to like get newer producers on board. So I feel like it's a good combination, and we want to say stories that we love and we like watching because we are audiences
Yes.
first. And honestly, there's so many new people, like great directors, great technicians, such amazing actors and actresses. I mean, I feel like we want to as Campa want to go out there and get people together.
Coming back to
Yeah.
what two projects which have literally, for me it was frankly personal, it was ICW. I'm like,
I see it one for.
I see why. I'm like, dude, wow. Because when it started rolling the promos and the
Yeah.
teaser,
Yeah.
I was not expecting
Yeah.
it to like take off the way
Yeah,
it did,
did.
and how it did. What's the conviction to pick such shows, and were you expecting it to become such a, like I would say, game changer in a way?
No, not really, yeah, because I wanted to work with Anubhav sir, and I knew he was developing this project, you know. So I went to him and I was like, हाँ, you know
you told me, अब
yeah.
तो मैं मान चुकी
हाँ,
हूँ.
तो मैं गई उनके पास and मैंने उनको बोला कि सर मुझे कुछ चाहिए, क्या दे सकते हो आप कुछ है क्या? उन्होंने बोला देख मेरे पास अभी कुछ नहीं है, 6 महीने बाद हम बात करेंगे, मैं तब तक लिखता हूँ, कुछ मिले कुछ
अच्छा
होगा
होगा
तो मैं दूंगा. And then for 6 months he was like, मैं कभी कभी उनको कॉल करके परेशान करती थी, सर क्या लगता है कुछ डिवर, हाँ पतरा है पर आई एम सो कंफ्यूज, रिपोर्टर एक है और एक एयर होस्टेस है, पर मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, एक्चुअली आई कांट प्लेस यू. फिर एक दिन बोलते थे नहीं मत कर, कुछ है ही नहीं. बट आई वाज लाइक सर नहीं होगा ये, आई हैव टू डू समथिंग. आई लिटरली स्नैच्ड इट फ्रॉम हिम. Seriously.
I think maybe sometime good work come this way.
Perhaps, yeah, but मतलब see, the other person also has to be receptive,
Yes.
you know. उनको I don't want to make a director feel uncomfortable.
Of course.
अरे ये अभी वापस आ गए. I mean, all I can do is ask for work and then let it be.
And it worked out.
And it worked out.
And you
Yeah.
get to work with one of the finest in the lot.
Yeah.
For
yeah,
sure.
Yeah.
I
Like
mean,
how can you like there's a Naseer sir, there's a Pankaj.
it's a
Kapoor
casting
sir,
which normally doesn't happen.
Yeah.
I always say it's a tough casting. It doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen. Really.
And then you came to Phule.
Hmm.
Of course, before we'll speak about it.
Yeah.
But when Phule was announced and
Yeah.
the look came out,
Yeah.
it felt like a film which really needed to be seen, a story which needed to be told.
Hmm.
But with the entire fiasco which then goes around with it, people having objections, CBFC wanting cuts, do you think by the time it reached the theatres, it lost what you really wanted to say?
I suppose yes and no, because there was a lot of negative publicity around it.
Suddenly it became the villain.
Yeah,
the film.
yeah. But actually now that people are going and watching it, we are not getting any hate. Now nobody is saying anything.
But how does an actor feels in when he lands in such hot soup that before even मेरा काम दुनिया तक पहुंचा है?
बहुत
There's a
बुरा लगता
judgment.
है यार, बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा लगता है, because whether it's Phule or any other film, yeah, you give your heart and soul to it. You know, there are 200 people working in the cast and crew for one thing, for one vision. And then suddenly there's so much noise around it for all the wrong reasons. And it is also a very small film.
Yeah.
It's not a very big film that the producers will hustle and get through it. No. So it was obviously quite overwhelming, and I was like, yaar, ye na band ho jaye. But anyway, and God was kind.
There were certain reviews, they were also like, oh, the film script is already weak and CBFC did no harm. It was already there. Do you think this entire chatter just turns the purpose only? The purpose was to shed light on a community which is so easily neglected. The Dalits.
I don't think so, people who are watching the film.
No, I'm just talking about the reviews here, like the critics who write reviews, because I know people are liking it. It's like how the narrative suddenly changes, as we are saying.
See, I always see it like it'll always be a mixed bag.
Correct.
It'll never be a perfect review film. Some people will like it, but that's also art. That's also creativity.
That's also subjective.
It's very subjective. You know, today I like this art. Maybe somebody else doesn't like
maybe
it.
I'm like, no, it's not for me.
But that's your
prerogative.
Prerogative.
So you are good with the fact
I'm good because the thing,
they loved you. Let me tell you, that has been a common thing, that you and Prateek have been immensely loved.
Yeah, but you know, it's not always about whether you do the best work or not. You want your full film to reach. But also listen, when you make biopics and when you're making a biopic on such great figures,
especially social reforms,
they are worshipped as gods in Maharashtra, and rightfully so. How can you not cover certain parts from their lives?
The events which were real, they changed.
And it is how it was. It was these Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule were at it. Their life was given to the society for reforming the society, for the betterment of the society. And they worked each day out, day in and day out, to just, it was not like हमने कोई cause ऐसे ही डाल दिया. It was the fact that they wanted to educate girls, they wanted to reform the widows, they wanted to reform, you know, the Shudra, they formed Satya Shodhak Samaj. It was what it was.
When we make film on reforms, if I can get an example, like Kesari 2, it also spoke about how the law at that time, pre-independence era, was completely under the British system. And here they are also telling a reform story, you are also telling a reform story. Does it sometimes happen that when you go a little too deep and too touchy with your subject, or maybe the film, as you said, producers can't run around a circle if somebody is raising objection, a big film will suffer in comparison to a smaller film, a smaller film will suffer to a bigger film. Do you see it that way also somewhere?
See, the clout in bigger films is more, I suppose. I don't know.
Yeah, it's a general question. It's nothing to do with your film or his film. It's just in general.
Yeah. I suppose so. There has to be. See, with bigger films, there's more at stake. The producer, I don't know how to put it in words.
I think, as you said, क्योंकि मैंने आप ही की line से ही मेरे दिमाग में आया कि sometimes in a smaller film, you can't run around circles so much to tell the people, listen guys, give it a chance.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I think in bigger films, with due respect, they get the kind of
and also they have that kind of reach to the audience. You know, today an Akshay sir will have that certain reach.
And coming to judgment and forming opinions, how's it to battle the tabloids? Tell me, because tabloids write everything every day. And my favorite piece of news has been, I remember, you went to some dinner, na? You wore some dress, and next thing I read is that you're expecting. How you react to people actually being so invested in what you are doing with your life? Does it get, as a woman, not as an actress, doesn't it crosses a line somewhere that, hello, like, can we peace out?
Yeah, initially it was. You know, like when our paparazzi, and I love our paparazzi. They're very, very fun, and they're kind people.
They're kind people.
So suddenly after my marriage, like we landed here in Mumbai airport, and they started calling me Bhabhi. I thought that was so funny. I was like, and you have to see my reaction.
I saw.
I was like so surprised.
कल तक मैं पत्र लिखा थी, आज मैं भाभी
बन गई. Yeah, it's funny. Initially, it's funny, and then I just make peace with it.
But do you think that in general, as a woman to woman, there has to be a certain sensitization and a line drawn when it comes to discussing any woman who happens to be in a public space, like
Yeah.
an actor like
Yeah.
you, like before commenting on somebody's child, pregnancy, not being able to carry and stuff
100%.
like that, there has to be a certain decency.
100%.
And I didn't like the fact that तुम सबको पता है that she's expecting, उसको
Yeah.
नहीं पता she's
She's
expecting. So how about asking her also?
That would be nice.
Hello, are you? But कभी ऐसे कोई rumors रहे हैं जो बहुत below the belt भी लगे आपको, क्योंकि इतने सालों से आप यहाँ पे हैं, you have seen it go through all good,
No,
bad,
yeah, I
ugly.
feel like the media has been comparatively like quite nice to both of us. You know, हाँ यहाँ वहाँ कुछ ऐसे articles आते रहते, but that's fine.
That's fine.
That's fine. They have never like hit us below the belt or me below the belt ever.
And I think between you two, what I find common is that you both of you as a couple also and as individual are not controversy's favorite child. You are not.
Yeah.
You're like
Yeah.
piecing out.
Yeah,
And I think it comes
absolutely.
from the fact because maybe the way you are.
Yeah. Yeah, I know Raj gets very hassled by controversies, and controversies are always very negative. So why do you even get into it? Yeah.
And they drain. I think
Yeah.
your creative energies, especially
Yeah,
for
yeah.
someone who works in a
Yeah,
creative space,
yeah.
it can be really daunting.
And honestly, we don't have the time. We really do not. हम एक दूसरे के साथ अच्छे से बैठ के खाना खा ले, वही
बहुत-
हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है.
हाँ, मतलब with the, as we said, actors getting married
Yeah.
and schedules.
Yeah,
Like,
it's
dude, map your
crazy.
schedules.
Sometimes we have to. Like last night, what happened? I had one full day of promotions
Wow.
and plus some production work. I got back home, I ate food, and I was like, okay, I'll wait for Raj. Raj went for promotions
Yeah.
to Lucknow. So he messaged me that I'll be there by 10:30, 11. I was like, cool, I'll see you. And I went off to sleep at 11 and I just couldn't wake up. I kind of heard him. He walked into the room, but I couldn't even say hello to him. So, you know, it's those
Days
like
also.
days where you are together, but you are not together.
It's a constant work in progress,
It's a
na?
constant work in progress. So that's why also we value time that we have with each other. It really means a lot.
Who's the one who's good at making plans?
I think I like making plans.
You're the one with the holiday
Yeah.
plannings and dinner
yeah,
plannings, yeah.
Oh, 100%.
Why so
Raj
passionately?
loves doing all that, but he can't plan because he doesn't have the time. So I'm like, okay, let
Has
me
he
figure
ever
this
planned a
out.
holiday for you?
No, he tells me like, okay, let's go to Japan. I said, cool, we'll go to Japan.
उसके आगे?
उसके आगे
जापान
मुझे नहीं पता, उधर जाके देख लीजिए.
पता नहीं, जापान तो ठीक है, करना क्या है?
करना क्या?
देख लेंगे.
देख लेंगे उधर जाके. There have been times we had gone for this European tour and we didn't book no hotels, nothing. We were in the train trying to book hotel rooms and we were not getting because it was peak winter vacation there. And then finally we found some guest house somewhere off the map. So yeah, we have, yeah.
This is really fun.
Yeah,
This is
it
actually
fun.
as crazy as
Yeah,
gets.
yeah.
I mean, I can't imagine like two popular leading actors from Bollywood on a holiday and trying to find a place to stay because hello, we just went.
Yeah.
But
But that's how I think we enjoy. We are honestly, I'll tell you, in our hearts, we are really very, very middle class people. And I think Raj doesn't even realize who he is.
touch wood.
But so, I mean, that's how we lead our lives, yeah.
What is the most middle class thing? If I have to ask you, you do daily
Yeah.
without even realizing.
Yeah, it's not middle class.
Like just to in a fun way to put it.
Yeah. ये लोगों को friend हो जाए.
नहीं मैं तो बोल सकती हूँ like मेरी टूथपेस्ट का जब तक लास्ट
Same.
स्क्वीज करके
Yeah.
नहीं निकल जाएगा ना.
Me too. Raj throws my toothpaste away. I still call up my bhaji wala, my vendor,
हाँ.
and I still be like, अरे यार 10 रुपए कम कर दो.
अरे यार तो still haggle. I'm like, अब कभी अब तो जैसे apps पे भी you get
Yeah.
vegetables, मैं
Yeah.
तो उस पे भी करती हूँ. इस पे 15 है, इस पे 17 है, but everything पे 15 because 2 रुपए भी बचेंगे.
Yeah.
No, but I think it's not about being middle class. It's just
Yeah, it's
how
just-
we raised with money.
Yeah,
We have
yeah.
learned the value, and I think any and everyone in
Yeah.
this room
Yeah.
who earns money by
Yeah,
themselves, they will
yeah,
understand every
understand.
penny matters.
Yeah, and also we haven't come from like really affluent background.
Yeah, nobody's given us on platter.
Yeah,
na.
my mom still like does chick when she comes to our house and she's like ये क्या है वो क्या है ऐसे मत कर पैसे पैसे होते हैं be thankful and grateful.
रोज
So,
का है.
रोज का है. Yeah, I think हर घर में होता है.
ये कहानी घर घर की.
कहानी घर घर की.
Lastly,
Yeah.
Patra, are you good with finances?
Very good. I'm very good with my.
So you are the
finances.
finance manager.
So even Raj is very good with
Oh, so-
finances. I think again it comes from where we come
That's why
from.
I wanted to
Yeah,
close this because I think we value the penny.
yeah, that we
Where are we putting that
yeah,
penny?
Penny. And no, it matters. It's not like I'll lie to you if I tell you I don't splurge.
Hmm.
I do splurge as well.
Hmm.
And I like splurging because
You earn to
yeah.
live a life you want
yeah.
to.
But also I save and I know what my investments look like and what it should be. And so does Raj.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
But thank you. I
But
think I
thank
had such a
you.
heartwarming conversation.
Yeah.
मैं ये सोच के नहीं आई थी सवाल आपके लिए.
Yeah.
मुझे लगा था कि हम एक करेंगे मस्ती भरा सा कुछ एकदम and I'm like अरे वाह this is so much fun and I'm so glad I could do this
Thank
with you.
you. I'm so happy that we did it, and your questions were really very nice.
No, but thank you and I hope
Yeah.
that when we sit next time we
Yeah.
can. I always say this like I would want to sit with Mia Bibi
Yeah,
and dissect films.
100%.
मतलब
That-
मेरे एक इंसान मुझे recommendations देगा and the other person will tell me holiday recommendations.
Holiday.
So I am booking
Done.
my deal
Done.
with you
Yes. तो उस हॉलिडे में जाके आप कंटेंट देखना क्योंकि राज वही करते हैं बाय द वे हॉलिडे पे जाके वो कंटेंट देखते हैं.
too. Guys, this is a trivia which nobody asked for. He will not be appreciated. All the wives will be like, no, not happening. But thank you for doing this. Wishing
Thank
you all
you.
the success.
Thank
and I
you so
hope your
much.
work reaches all those places where it should. And to anyone who's watching out there, please see the film. Because only then you can start a conversation. And without conversation, I don't think any film should be ever
Yeah.
missed out. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you
and
so
thank
much.
You.
Thank you. Hi, this is Patrulekha and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.